Good morning everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. In the previous class, I have already completed the 7.3 exercise. Third and the fourth problem we are already completed. And in today's class, let us continue the fifth problem. Look at the fifth problem. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 and 36 by 48 with the given the fraction that is the 36 by 48. To find the equivalent fraction having the numerator 9 and the denominator 4. We should find the equivalent fraction having the numerator 9 and denominator having the 4. And look at the first sub question A. They give the fraction that 36 by 48. They give the fraction. You should find the numerator having the 9. You should keep the denominator. You should keep the box. You should find the denominator place. You should find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48. And already they given the numerator 9, we should find the denominator. Look at now. We should make a cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Already in the previous class we learned how to make cross multiplication. 36 by 48. It is the cross multiplication symbol. And 9 by box. And next 36 into box is equal to 48 into 9. 36 into box and 48 into 9. Now box is equal to 36 comes in the denominator place. 48 into 9 divided by 36. 36 comes in the denominator place and box is as it is in place. Now you should make simplification. Box is equal to 9 1 ja 9 4 ja 9 1 ja 9 4 ja 48 by 4. 48 by 4. What they asked the question? Find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48. Already they given the numerator place it is the 9. And now we should multiply by 2. What is the answer? Box is equal to 24 by 2. Answer is 24 by box is equal to 24 by 2. And next you should multiply by 2 divided by 2. Then we will get the answer that box in the place of box we will get the denominator place. So we will get the term in the denominator place. It is the equivalent fraction of the 36 by 48. Equivalent fraction is 9 by 12. 9 by 12. 36 by 48 equivalent fraction is 9 by 12. And coming to the second problem, B. Denominator having the 4, we should keep the same fraction in the to find the numerator place or equivalent fraction. 36 by 48 is equal to, should keep in the numerator place, you should keep the blank or the box. And in the denominator place they given the 4. They given the 4. First you should make the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 36 by 48. 36 by 48 in box by 4. Now 36 into 4 and 48 into box. 36 into 4, 48 into box. Next 36 by 4, 48 comes in the denominator place. You should keep box in the same place. Now 4 1 ja 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. You will get the 36 by 12. Now you should make the simplifying that by find the equivalent fraction. 36 by 12. 36 by 12 divided by 3 and you will get the 12 by 4. And next you divide by 2, you will get the 6 by 2. And again you divide by 2 by 2, you will get the 3. You will get the 3. What is the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48? Is the 3 by 4. is the equivalent fraction of 36/48, having the denominator place 4 and having the in the numerator place having the 9. Coming to the sixth one, problem number 6. Coming to the sixth problem, look at the sixth problem. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. They given the three fractions. They given the some problems. We should find that these are the equivalent or not. Look at the problem. Check the whether the given fraction are equivalent. Now look at the first one. 5/9, 30/54. First we should make the cross multiplication. Cross multiply 5/9 into 30/54, and you will get the 54 into 5 is equal to 9/9 into 30. 54 into 5, 9 into 30. It is the LHS. It is the RHS. It is the LHS. It is the RHS. Now you should make this multiplication. 54 into 5, you will get the 270, and 9 into 30, you will get the, if you make multiplication, you will get the 270. And 270 LHS is equal to RHS, we got the same, and since it is true, this fraction is equivalent. This given fraction is equivalent. How they are equivalent? In LHS we got the 270, in RHS also we got the 270. LHS is equal to RHS. Then it is the, since it is true and the given fraction is equivalent. Coming to the second one, 3/10, 12/50. They given the fractions. Cross multiplication. We will get the 3 into 10. Cross multiplication, what you will get the 12/50. We will get the 12/50. Now 3 into 50 is equal to 10 into 12. Already it is the LHS, it is the RHS. Right hand side, it is the left hand side. It's the left hand side is the right hand side. Now you will get the 150. 3 into 50, you will get the 150 is equal to 10 into 12, you will get the 120. And LHS you got the 150, RHS you got the 120. It is not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. Since it is false, and the given fraction is unequivalent. The given fraction is unequivalent. In the LHS we got the 150, in RHS we got the 120, and the LHS does not equal to RHS. That since it is, the given fraction is false and the given fraction is unequivalent. If you got the same LHS RHS, it means it is the equivalent. If you got the difference in the LHS and RHS, it is called as the unequivalent. Coming to the last one, 7/13, 5/11. First you should make the cross multiplication or cross multiply, and you will get the 7/13 into 5/11. You will get the 5/11. Next step, 11 into 7. 11 into, it is the cross multiplication. 11 into 7, you will get the, in the LHS side, and same that is 13 into 5, you will get the, it is the LHS and it is the RHS. It is the LHS, it is the RHS. And you will get 77. 11 into 7, 37, and 13 into 5, you will get the 65. 13 5 is 65. And LHS does not equal to RHS. symbol, it indicates the unequal. It indicates the equal. It is the unequal, it is the equal. LHS does not equal to the RHS. Now, since the given fraction is false, the given fractions are false, these are unequivalent. These are unequivalent. Whatever may be given the question, first you should make the cross multiplication, then you should keep in the LHS side, and the given you got the equation you should keep in the RHS side, and you should multiply. If you got the in LHS side, you got the same number, and the RHS is the same number, that is the equivalent. If you got the difference in the RHS and LHS, it is the unequivalent. It is the unequivalent. And in the next class we will continue the 7th and 8th problem. Thank you.